Here's a video of the waterfall at Splitrock. Here we go. I'm guessing it's about 20 feet above it. And down there it's saying, warning, stay off the dam. There's a little swimming area over there and here too. Here's me going on the rocks for it. Looks nice, doesn't it? I love this place. There's a big house up there. You can see that? Let's go down lower. Look how nice that is. There's a view of the water above it. There's a view of the water over there. This is called Splitrock Freezing because all these rocks. Take a view of it for a few minutes. We go fishing here a lot, too. Nice waterfall, isn't it? See, you can see a drop off. See, you can see it right in there. I try to be careful when I'm out here. I go fishing down there sometimes too. I see geese over there. There's all that stuff you see there in the water, white stuff is foam. Alright, and that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.